Newton's first law. According to Newton's first law, an object in motion continues in motion with the same speed and same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This is true of an object at rest, too. It will stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. It is the natural tendency of objects to keep on doing what they're doing. All objects resist changes in their motion. In the absence of an unbalanced force, an object in motion will maintain its state of motion or at rest. This is often called the law of inertia. The law of inertia is most commonly experienced when riding in cars and trucks. In fact, the tendency of moving objects to continue in motion is a common cause of a variety of transportation injuries, of both small and large magnitudes. Consider, for instance, the unfortunate collision of a car with a wall. Upon contact with the wall, an unbalanced force acts upon the car to abruptly decelerate it to rest. Any passengers in the car will also be decelerated to rest if they are strapped to the car by seatbelts. Being strapped tightly to the car, the passengers share the same state of motion as the car. As the car accelerates, the passengers accelerate with it. As the car decelerates, the passengers decelerate with it. And as the car maintains a constant speed, the passengers maintain a constant speed as well. What would happen if the passengers were not wearing the seatbelt? What motion would the passengers undergo if they failed to use the seatbelts and the car was brought to a sudden and abrupt halt by a collision with a wall? Were this scenario to occur, the passengers would no longer share the same state of motion as the car. The use of the seatbelt assures that the forces necessary for accelerated and decelerated motion exist. If the seatbelt is not used, the passengers are more likely to maintain its state of motion.